Yeah, I'm going to. So this is the house or building right next to the property we're looking at. But if we bought this lot, put that St. Charles home on it, look at that canopy. Is that not stunning? This would be our view, our backyard view to a nature preserve. Canopy is just beautiful. So that light would be in our front yard. Pretty.